Hey everyone, I wanted to share with you the cute Stickii Club June kit, and this is already the second kit that I'm getting, and I have a video showing the May kit, which was fantastic. It was probably a little bit more, spoiler alert, a little bit more my taste than this one, but I still think this one is super cute. Now, what I like about this is that you don't have to commit to a certain amount of months. I think if you sign up for a year, it's a little bit cheaper, but other than that, it's $10 a month plus $2.50 for international shipping, and they have 3 different kits. And what I like about it is that they post really nice sneak peeks before your charge for the next month, so you still have time to cancel or subscribe if you're not interested, or you are interested respectively in the kit, which I find that really nice, because my issue always with kits is that, you know, sometimes they're more to your taste and other times not so much, so it's nice to have that flexibility. So just before we get into it, I want to show you how I keep the other 2 that I have, and I'm using this Filofax folder that I got like years ago, and it works really well for this. So these are the previous months, and I will add this one to it. Each kit comes in this sleeve, which I love, and it's very easy to keep them organized, although I do aspire to use them. But even though I kind of heavily used the May ones, they still keep on giving. So each kit each month has a theme, and this one is Magic Forest, and you get these triangular stickers, so you can stick them on your folders for easy reference, which again, I really like that detail. And then there's another one here. So I'll show you what we're getting in the kit. There's this cute little notebook, which I really don't know what I would do with. Last month, both kits that I got, the Cute Pack and the Retro one, had these envelopes in them, which I used in my Hobonichi. So like these little envelopes, this was in the Cute Pack, and then this was in the Retro one, and I really like those. I hope they do them again next month. So, but this time there's this little notebook, and here are the sticky notes. They're quite cute. So it's an acorn, and it has foiling on it. You can see kind of a coppery shade. Very cute. Let's put it back. I'm so organized. Now we have that's a cute clip. Super cute. So owl clip, very cute. And here we have some like die cuts, I guess, or like sticker flakes. Okay, these are adorable. I looked through some of this, but I didn't open this one, and okay, this is seriously cute. So these are stickers with a backing. They're already cut for you, and they're very cute. Oh, look at that. Super cute. If you like owls, you're gonna love this. So I'll put a link below. It is an affiliate link, so, but I don't get money if you use the link and sign up. But if a certain number of people sign up using my link, then I get a free kit. So that's just all the info for you, you know, full disclosure and all. Oh, how cute is this? Obviously, you're free to just Google this if you don't want to use my link. That's absolutely okay too. Now let's get into the stickers. So I think, okay, I'll keep this one for last because it's my favorite. We have, wait, I'll zoom you in a bit more so you can get a good look. So it's all kind of forest themed, and I love these. These are like the detail here. I love mushrooms also, but the detail here is just beautiful. So I really, really like these. I'll try not to hoard them. Okay, I think you can get a good look. So these are all clear. Yeah, they're all clear. The quality is really, really nice. You know, everything is like perfectly cut, perfectly printed, really beautiful. Then we have these. These are also clear, but they have this foiling detail to them, some of them. And oh, how adorable is this? I love the colors on this one. Beautiful. So these are not clear, they're more like shiny. They have this kind of like a vinyl feel to them almost, and they're lovely. And then I think this one is my favorite. This is more of a paper finish, which I really love, kind of matte paper, and designed with care. So this is the designer, and I just love these, so adorable. So yeah, very, you know, short and sweet. I really enjoy these kits, and I use them in my Hobonichi, mostly for kind of these weekly spreads that I do. It's like memory planning type of thing, and I love them for this purpose. Really, really enjoy them. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you in another video soon. Bye.